We've all been there, missing somebody's birthday and having to awkwardly apologise. What if Excel could help you stay on top of those important dates? In this video, I'll show you how to build a simple but powerful birthday reminder system that automatically highlights upcoming birthdays using formulas and conditional formatting. No coding, no fuss, just a smart tool to help you never miss another birthday again. So this is my starting point, a list of names and dates of births. I'm going to change the format of the dates to display the month name rather than the month number. Now you don't have to do that, it just saves me working out month names from month numbers. So I'll select B2 through to B16, that's where my data is. Go to the number section on the home tab of the ribbon, click the drop down, and I'm going to go to more number formats. And then go to custom, and in the type box, type DD-3Ms-4Ys. And that will give me the short version of the month name. Click OK. Now there's nothing worse than sending somebody a birthday card with the wrong age on it. So to solve that problem, I'll enter a formula into column C to calculate the person's age on their next birthday. And this is the formula I'll use. Equals int, open brackets, then open brackets again, today, open bracket, close bracket, minus B2, close bracket, divided by 365.25, close bracket again, plus 1. What this formula does is it subtracts the date of birth from today's date. That returns the number of days between those two dates, and that is divided by 365.25, which is the number of days in a year. The 0.25 accounts for leap years. In most instances, that will result in a value that includes decimals. The int function extracts the integer part of that, the bit before the decimal. Without adding the plus 1 at the end, the formula would show the person's age now. So by adding 1, I get their age on their next birthday. So I'll press enter. So what that's done is it's put a number into C2, but it's formatted the cell as a date. So before I copy the formula down, I'm going to select all the cells in column C, and I'm going to change the format to general. And there we can see that Sarah is going to be 41 next birthday, and copy the formula down. Finally, I'm going to use conditional formatting to display the data in columns A to C with a red background and white text for people whose birthdays are in the next 4 weeks. So I will select A2 to C16 because those are the cells I want to highlight in red. Go up to conditional formatting and select new rule. And then select use a formula to determine which cells to format. This is the formula I'm using. I've put it in the video description so that you can just copy and paste it. Basically, what it's saying is if there is a birthday listed, so if column B is not blank, and the upcoming birthday this year or next year is within 28 days from today, then highlight the cells in columns A, B and C. The single $sign before the B2, by the way, is needed because the conditional formatting on each row needs to reference column B on each different row. So having put the formula in, I'm going to click on Format, go to Fill and select Red, and go to Font and select White. Click OK. And OK again. If you found the video useful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like more Excel tips and tricks, check out my website at theexceltrainer.co.uk. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video, but Until then, have an excellent day.